Tom, can I talk English with you?
You can, but that sounds a bit strange.
Wait, so I should say speak English?
Yes.
Okay. Then yesterday I spoke to my friend for 2 hours.
Now that sounds strange again.
What? Speak is wrong, talk is wrong, then what am I supposed to use?
This is exactly why many English learners feel confused.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Channel. I'm Anna, and I'm really happy you're here today. We have a fun and useful topic for you.
Hi friends, I'm Tom, and today's lesson is very practical. This is something you hear every day in real life, but many learners still feel confused.
Yes, today we are talking about two simple words. They look easy and very common, but using them correctly is not always easy.
Sometimes you say a sentence and stop. You ask yourself, is this correct or not? Should I say speak or talk?
Both words are about communication. Both are about using your voice, but they are not always the same.
In some situations, you can use both, but in other situations, only one sounds natural, and that changes how fluent you sound.
Before we continue, don't forget something important. Please like this video if you enjoy learning with us, and subscribe to support the channel.
Your support helps us make more lessons, simple lessons for daily English speaking, so you can learn step by step.
Today, we will make this very clear. No difficult grammar explanation, only real and easy conversation.
You will hear examples from daily life, like work, friends, and normal situations, things you really use every day.
By the end of this lesson, you will feel more confident. You will know when to use speak and when to use talk.
So stay with us until the end, because this small difference is powerful. It makes your English sound natural.
Now, let's start learning together in a simple and friendly way. Are you ready?
Great, let's begin. Today's topic is speak versus talk. Let's make it easy.
Yesterday, I spoke with my manager at work. We had a serious conversation about my project. He wanted to check my progress.
Oh, really? I talked with my friend yesterday. We just talked about movies and food. It was a very relaxed chat.
So here we can see something interesting. I spoke with my manager in a formal situation, but you talked with your friend in a casual one.
Yes, that's right. Speak often sounds more formal. Talk sounds more friendly and relaxed.
For example, in meetings, we usually say speak, like, I will speak with the team tomorrow. It sounds more professional.
But with friends, we say talk more often. Like, I talked with Sarah last night. It feels warm and natural.
Let's try another example. The teacher spoke to the students today. It was part of the lesson.
But after class, students talked together. They talked about homework and plans. It was just normal chatting.
When someone gives a speech, we use speak. Like, she spoke at the event yesterday. It was a public situation.
But after the event, people talked together. They talked about the ideas they heard. That was a casual moment.
Sometimes both are possible, like, I need to speak with you, or I need to talk with you.
Yes, but the feeling changes. Speak sounds more serious or important. Talk sounds softer and friendly.
For example, a boss may say, I need to speak with you after work. That sounds serious.
But a friend may say, hey, can we talk later? That sounds comfortable.
So the situation decides the word. Formal situations prefer speak. Casual situations prefer talk.
This is why native conversations use both, not randomly, but based on feeling and social context.
When you notice this difference, your English becomes more natural and easier to understand.
Now you know the key idea. Speak is more formal, talk is more casual.
I spoke with the doctor this morning. It was about my health check. It felt serious and important.
Later, I talked with my brother. We talked about weekend plans. It was very casual.
The CEO will speak at the conference. Many people will listen to him. It is a formal event.
But after the event, people will talk. They will talk about the speech. That is informal.
I need to speak with my teacher. It's about my exam results. This is a serious topic.
I want to talk with my friend. It's about a new movie. That's just for fun.
She spoke to the police officer. It was about an accident. The situation was formal.
She later talked to her sister. She explained what happened. That was personal.
Our manager spoke to the team. It was during the meeting. He shared new plans.
After the meeting, we talked together. We shared our opinions. That was relaxed.
He spoke with the interviewer. It was for a job. He was careful with words.
After that, he talked with his friend. He shared his feelings. That felt easy.
The guide spoke to the tourists. He gave important information. It was structured.
The tourists talked together later. They shared experiences. It was natural.
The lawyer spoke in court. It was a formal setting. Every word mattered.
Later, he talked with his family. They discussed dinner plans. It was simple.
She spoke with the customer. It was about a complaint. She stayed professional.
After work, she talked with friends. They laughed together. No pressure.
The teacher spoke during class. She explained the lesson. Students listened.
After school, students talked. They discussed homework. It was friendly.
Many learners say, I talk English, but this is not natural. We say, I speak English.
Yes, because language ability uses speak. We speak a language. We don't talk a language.
Some learners say, I spoke with a speech. That sounds strange. We say, I gave a speech.
Speak is the action of talking. Speech is the event. They are different.
People sometimes say, I talked a presentation, but this is incorrect. We say, I gave a presentation.
Or we can say, I spoke at the presentation. That sounds natural and correct.
Another common mistake is, I will talk to the audience on stage. In formal events, speak sounds better.
So we say, I will speak to the audience. That fits the situation.
Some learners say, can I speak with you to a friend? It sounds too serious.
Better to say, can I talk with you? It feels friendly.
People also mix speak about and talk about. Both are possible sometimes, but talk about is more common.
For example, we talked about the movie. That sounds natural.
Saying, I spoke about my weekend is not wrong, but it sounds formal.
In daily conversation, we talked about our weekend sounds better.
Some learners say, he talked a speech yesterday. That is incorrect.
We say, he gave a speech or he spoke yesterday.
Another mistake is, I want to speak with my friend tonight. It feels too official.
Better, I want to talk with my friend tonight. More natural.
Learners sometimes say, we spoke together for fun. That sounds odd.
Better, we talked together for fun. That feels right.
Use speak when talking about languages. For example, I speak English every day. This is always correct.
Use talk when speaking with people. For example, I talk with my friends daily. This sounds natural.
Use speak in formal situations, like I need to speak with my manager. It shows seriousness.
Use talk in relaxed situations, like I want to talk with my cousin. It feels friendly.
Use speak for speeches. For example, she spoke at the event. It was formal.
Use talk for chats. For example, we talked after dinner. It was casual.
Use speak for important topics, like I need to speak about this issue. It sounds serious.
Use talk for daily topics, like we talked about our plans. It feels normal.
Use speak for professional settings, like I will speak to the team. That fits work situations.
Use talk for personal settings, like I talked to my brother. That fits family talk.
Use speak when giving information, like the guide spoke to tourists. He explained rules.
Use talk when sharing ideas. For example, we talked about travel. We shared thoughts.
Use speak in public speaking, like he spoke on stage. It was formal.
Use talk in private moments, like we talked in the kitchen. It was relaxed.
Use speak in interviews, like she spoke with the interviewer. It was serious.
Use talk with friends, like I talked with my classmates. It was easy.
Use speak in meetings, like the boss spoke first. He led the discussion.
Use talk after meetings, like we talked about ideas. We shared opinions.
Use speak for announcements, like the teacher spoke to the class. She gave news.
Use talk for discussions, like students talked together. They exchanged ideas.
Use speak when the tone is formal, like may I speak with you? It sounds polite.
Use talk when the tone is casual, like can we talk later? It sounds warm.
Use speak in official situations, like he spoke with the officer. It was formal.
Use talk in friendly situations, like he talked with his neighbor. It was easy.
Use speak when you present ideas, like she spoke about the project. It sounded structured.
Use talk when you chat about ideas, like we talked about hobbies. It felt natural.
Use speak when respect is needed, like I need to speak to the director. It shows importance.
Use talk when comfort is needed, like I talked to my friend. It shows closeness.
Use speak for authority, like the leader spoke to us. It was formal.
Use talk for equality, like we talked together. It was mutual.
Use speak in ceremonies, like he spoke at the wedding. It was public.
Use talk at parties, like we talked all night. It was social.
Use speak when explaining, like she spoke about safety. It was important.
Use talk when sharing stories, like we talked about childhood. It was personal.
Use speak in serious matters, like I must speak with you now. It sounds urgent.
Use talk in normal matters, like let's talk tomorrow. It sounds relaxed.
Use speak for structured moments, like he spoke during the meeting. He followed rules.
Use talk for open moments, like we talked freely. No rules.
Use speak when formality matters, like I will speak at the event. It fits the tone.
Use talk when comfort is needed, like I talked with my cousin. It fits the mood.
Today we learned something simple. Speak and talk are not the same. The situation decides.
Speak is more formal. Talk is more casual. That's the main idea.
We speak a language, like I speak English. This is always correct.
We talk with people, like I talk with friends. This is natural.
We speak in meetings. It sounds professional. It fits work life.
We talk in daily life. It sounds friendly. It fits normal life.
We speak at events. It sounds official. It shows structure.
We talk at home. It sounds relaxed. It shows comfort.
Speak fits serious moments. It shows importance. It sounds polite.
Talk fits easy moments. It shows connection. It sounds warm.
Speak works in public, like on stage or in interviews.
Talk works in private, like with friends or family.
Speak sounds structured, like presentations or announcements.
Talk sounds free, like chatting or sharing stories.
Speak is for formal tone. It shows respect. It feels serious.
Talk is for casual tone. It feels natural. It feels easy.
Speak comes with authority, like teachers or leaders, giving information.
Talk comes with equality, like friends sharing, simple ideas.
Speak helps in professional life, workplace situations, serious topics.
Talk helps in social life, friendly situations, fun topics.
Now you know the difference. Speak is formal. Talk is casual.
And using them well makes your English sound more natural.
If today's lesson helped you, please like this video and support our learning community.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future lessons. More Simple English is coming.
Learning small differences matters. They make big changes in fluency.
Step-by-step practice builds confidence in real conversations.
Thank you for spending time learning with us today. We enjoyed it.
We hope you feel more confident now using English.
Keep practicing daily. Even small sentences help. Consistency is key.
Don't worry about mistakes. They are part of learning. Just keep speaking.
We are always here to make English simple and friendly.
To help you grow, one lesson at a time, together.
So, until next time, keep speaking with confidence and keep learning.
Take care, everyone. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.